back. So we want to continue with our test. Then you go back to test. Then you want to bring the translation aspect. So you can use two methods for translation, but this one I will be using the normal method for translation. This Bismillah Rahman Rahim, the Quran aspect, you just go to copy, it will copy at the top. Then you just go and bring the translation. You go and copy the translation. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Copy. Then you go back to your this. You go back to your edit. You clean the surah and you paste the content. In the name of Allah, bring it down. The most gracious, bring it down. Then change the font. Go back to change the font. And let's see this. And go and use Alio. Then let me reduce it a little bit. And bring it to down here. Okay. Then I'll go back to Wal Asr. I'll go back to copy again. Then I'll go to the translation and go and copy the translation. Then copy. I'll go back to my text. I'll edit it. I'll cancel the Wal Asr. Then paste it here. At the token of time. Then I'll go back to change this font. I'll change it to Alio. Reduce the size. Bring it down. Okay. Let me edit this also. And bring the most massive. And bring it down. Then you copy in the inside of a also. You go to copy it. Then you go to the translation. Then copy. Then edit. You go back to edit. Change the Quran content and put the translation. Then go and change the font to Alio. So what are then you go and copy this also. Copy. Do this. Copy. You go to edit again. You click the Quran content. You paste it. Fade. Then go and change the font. You'll be using Alio. You do this font again, bring it down. Then وتواصى بالحق وتواصى بالصبر. Then you copy, go and bring the Quran content. Then copy. Then go back to edit. Clean the Quran content and paste it. And join together in the mutual teaching of truth. So then just go and change the font to Halio. I'll reduce the font. And I'll bring it down here. Okay. Okay. This is our let me adjust this. Let me edit this. Okay. Let me take. Okay. I think it's okay like this. Okay. So we have done with our content, both the Arabic, the voice, and the meaning.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والعصر إن الإنسان لفي خسر إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر.
Okay, we'll stop here and we'll continue in our next class.